NPP Chief Conrad Sangma today hinted that the party is against the proposed implementation of the Uniform Civil Code. He said that the party has not seen the draft of the bill, but added that the great diversity of the state, region and the country makes India a diverse nation. It may be mentioned that the central government is pitching for the implementation of the Uniform Civil Code, which is meant to be a single set of personal laws, which would apply to all citizens equally and govern personal matters such as marriage, divorce, adoption, inheritance and succession.
Party, we realize that the entire Northeast, for the matter of fact, has got a unique culture and unique ways of our society, and hence we would want that to remain, and we would not want that to be touched. So therefore, we'll have to see how the bill, if it comes out, it will be, and the actual language in the bill. But as a concept in its own, as I said, it's something that does not go with the entire idea of India being a diverse nation, and diversity being our strength and our identity, and hence a uniform civil code will go against that idea, is what the National People's Party.
Voice of the People Party